everyone, I'm Jessica from UPDF. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to review and manage your bank statements in UPDF, whether it's on desktop or on your mobile. With UPDF, you can easily annotate, organize and protect these files without changing their original content. Just make sure to download UPDF using the link in the description box below so you can follow me along step by step. Before getting into the details of using UPDF, let's cover some basics. A bank statement is a record of your financial activity over a specific period. It includes your deposits, withdrawals, transfers, and also your remaining balance. People use bank statements for accounting, tax filing, or simply to keep track of their spending. That said, working with bank statements isn't always easy. Most of them come in read-only formats, which makes it hard to add notes or highlight important transactions. Also, bank statements can contain sensitive financial information, which means sharing them without proper security can be very risky. So, how does UPDF help with these challenges? With UPDF, you can review, manage, and store your bank statements without changing their original content so everything stays accurate. At the same time, it makes it easy to add feedback, organize your files, and secure your document. Let's see how you can do this all step by step, starting with UPDF on desktop. Open your browser and search for UPDF. Find the official UPDF website from the search results and click on Download UPDF. Then, download the version for your operating system and install it on your device. Once you've installed UPDF, here's how you can use it to manage your bank statement. UPDF helps you to review a bank statement or to add feedback in just a few simple steps. Start by opening UPDF on your desktop. Click Open File, then import your bank statement PDF. After the file opens, click Tools at the top and select Comment Mode. You'll see several annotation tools in the top toolbar. To add notes, choose Text Comment or Sticky Note, then click anywhere on the page and type your message. This can be for explaining transactions or noting reimbursement details. To mark important transactions, you can use tools like Highlight, Strike Through, Underline, or Squiggly Line. When you've finished annotating, click Comments in the sidebar to view all notes in one organized list. You can also use the search bar to quickly find specific comments. If you need to hide sensitive information, such as an account number, click Tools and select Redact Mode. From the top toolbar, choose Redact, then select the text you want to hide. You can also use Redact Pages to remove an entire page range. Otherwise, choose Search and Redact to find and redact specific words or phrases. You can customize the redaction color, overlaying text, content, and more from the right panel. Once you're done, click Apply at the top. This will permanently redact the selected areas and you can't undo it. UPDF allows you to add signatures to your bank statement. Simply click Tools and go to Comment. Then select Signature from the top toolbar and click on Create. To add a handwritten signature, choose the mouse option and draw your signature in the box. You can adjust the thickness and color as needed. You can also create a signature using your keyboard or by uploading an image file. UPDF also lets you add stamps to show the status of your bank statement. Select Stamps from the toolbar, then click Stamps and choose from the preset templates. If you want to create your own stamp, select Custom and then click Create. UPDF also allows you to organize and store your bank statements more easily. Here are the steps. To merge multiple files, click on Tools from the home screen and choose Merge. Click Add Files and import the statements you want to combine. Once your files are added, you can adjust their page size and orientation using the right panel. Then click Apply and save your new PDF. Once saved, UPDF will direct you to the folder containing your merged PDF. You can double-click the file to open it in UPDF. If you want to split the PDF into separate files, click Organize Pages from the left sidebar. From the top toolbar, click Split, then choose whether to split by number of pages, file size, top-level bookmarks, or a set custom page range. To reorder pages, simply drag and drop them into the correct position. If you need to add new pages, click Insert from the toolbar and choose how you'd like to add them. To remove unwanted pages, select the pages, then click Delete from the toolbar. UPDF will remove the selected pages from your file. Instead of simply deleting, you can also select the pages and click on Extract. This will allow you to export them as a separate PDF, image, or image PDF. And while doing so, you can select the option to delete pages after extracting, so you can remove them. UPDF will remove and extract the pages and open them automatically for further editing. Click Tools, then go to the PDF Converter options. From here, you can convert your file into an image, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Once you're done managing your bank statements, UPDF allows you to export them in your preferred format save them directly, or add a password to them before you share them. If you want to access the file on other devices using UPDF, click the down arrow next to the Save option, then choose Save to UPDF Cloud. To share the file with others, select UPDF Share. Then you can create a link and send a PDF using the link or QR code. To protect your bank statements, select Protect Using Password from the same menu. Next, click Add under Document Open Password. This requires users to enter a password before they can view the file. If you want to limit others from printing or editing the bank statement, click Add under Permissions Password. With this option, users can still view the file, but they'll need a password to modify its contents. With UPDF, you can easily print one or multiple bank statements and adjust the print settings as needed. To print a single bank statement, click the down arrow in the top right and choose Print. Then you can adjust settings such as paper size, orientation, number of copies, page range, and more. If you need to print multiple statements at once, go back to the home screen and click Tools. Under the Batch Process section, select Print. Add your desired files, then choose a print preset from the right if needed and click Print. Next, adjust your print settings and click Print again. Then choose a location to save the file and UPDF will add the PDF to your printer. UPDF also offers a mobile app which allows you to manage your bank statements directly from your Android or your iOS device. You can annotate files, add signatures, organize pages, convert documents, or even share and print them directly from your mobile phone. But first, make sure the UPDF app is installed on your device. Open the Play Store or App Store and search for UPDF. Find UPDF in the search results and then tap Install. Once the app is downloaded, you can use it to manage your bank statements. To get started, open the app and press the plus icon to import your PDF. Once your bank statement is open, you can annotate and sign it for feedback or approval. Select the comment tool to mark up text or add text comments, callouts, sticky notes, and more. To add a signature, select Sign from the toolbar, then tap Signature to insert a handwritten or image-based signature. UPDF also makes it easy to organize your bank statement files on mobile. Go to Tools and select Combine to combine multiple files. If you want to split a file into separate PDFs, use the Split tool under the Organize Pages section. From here, you can also use page sorting to reorder, extract, delete pages, and more. Once you're done organizing your file, you can save it, convert it, or protect it using a password. Tap the three dots menu in the top right and choose Save to store the file on your device. Alternatively, choose Upload to add it to the UPDF cloud. You can also select Password to limit access to the file with a password. You can also print your bank statements. Just tap the three-dot menu in the top right and choose Print. To convert the file to an Excel format, go to Tools from the home screen and choose PDF to Excel. So that's it for how to review and manage your bank statements easily using UPDF on both desktop and mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and hit the bell icon. In this way, you'll never miss another video on how to work smarter with your PDFs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.